Hey everyone, I wanted to do a video today talking about ChatGPT's new agent feature. Now, this has been live for the past 2-3 weeks, and I had the pleasure of playing around with it, tweaking it, see what works, what doesn't work. And I wanted to share a video about the top use cases for B2B growth. Keep in mind that the agent feature is still very much in beta, and it feels like a beta product. A lot of times it gets stuck, broken, or just doesn't fulfill the goal. But if you have some time and you're persistent and want to take the effort of training, playing around with it, you can gain some incredible value out of it. Use case number 1, GPT Agents, competitor funnel and experiment tracker. One of the most daunting tasks that's somewhat frustrating is ongoing competitive intelligence. In essence, tracking competitors' funnels and changes manually is both slow and prone to a lot of errors. What if I could utilize GPT Agents to monitor funnels on schedule, to log the changes in CTAs, onboarding flows, signups, and so on, and send me a report once a month with the key learnings of the changes of these? Use case number 2, competitive intelligence reports. Just like we look at funnels, why not expand that concept and look at the entire websites of your competitor, their pricing, their homepage, their packaging, their product, their messaging, news updates, fundraising, etc. So we can really expand that competitive intelligence capabilities to suit our needs. And using GPT Agents, it's actually pretty easy to scrape competitors' websites and to really extract in a meaningful way only the things that interest you. Use case number 3, SEO and Gap Content Opportunity Finder. What is the challenge? Well, finding content gaps that competitors haven't covered is actually tricky, especially when you're running an operation with a multitude of content angles, different personas, etc. So what would the agent do? Well, it will find underexploited niches and topics based on competitor SERP analysis. This could be running automatically and have a report landing in your email once every 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks to save a whole bunch of time for you. Use case number 4, multi-channel content and repurposing agent. As someone who's dealing with content for quite a while now, creating content for multiple channels, tweaking them, and doing the fine-tuning and matching per platform with its own unique characteristics takes a lot of time and could be a daunting task. What the Agents does is turning one piece of content into a ready-to-go material for a different platform, say from LinkedIn to YouTube to your blog. Now, there are a whole bunch of things that the GPT agents cannot do yet, or supposedly it should be doing, but it's not quite there yet. A good example is everything to do with software development. I tried building an app using the GPT agent and very quickly went back to Cursor, to Lovable, Base 44, etc. It is just not quite there yet. And it is running into a whole lot of quite silly issues but they really are blockers and serves as time consuming when you want to run fast. Now, bonus hack, you can really use the GPT agents if you need to have just a quick look at a certain website from a specific location, as if you were using a VPN. So I encourage you to try any of these use cases today. Start with the funnel tracker. I think this is one of the most interesting, promising use cases. Prompt templates are in the description. Copy paste them, start automating. Remember, the agent is still very much in beta. There's a lot of hoops and tinkering that you need to do in order to get stuff working. Sometimes it is far from being perfect. A good example is training it how to overcome blockers by Cloudflare, suggesting that it is not a robot, as an example. But all these things are a work in progress and really offers us a glimpse towards the kind of future we can expect. If you like this video, like, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments how many hours this had saved you this week.